Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to log into your cloud station of CTS. To log into the cloud station, we need an email address from you, which you will associate for the cloud account. Once we get the email address, we will create an account for you, and in another email we will send you the link for you to log into the cloud station, the email address, the one that you provide for us, and a password for you to log into the cloud station of CTS. So you can access your CTS cloud station from any browser. Select any browser. And in the email address that we will send for you with the login information, there's going to be a link. So I already have it here in the bookmarks. So you're accessing to the dashboard of the V2 Cloud. So from here, you enter the email address, the one that you provide and its associate for your cloud account, the password that we will send to you over an email, and you click on login. Once you enter the email and the password, it will open your account. From here that says full desktop, click on connect, and it will open a Windows environment where CTS is installed. From here you can see your CTS installed, the USPTO sync tool. So if you want to access, you just click on CTS 7, double click. I assume that you already have a username and password in CTS. So you just enter the username and password. You can select them to remember. Click OK. Click continue. This warning is just because I'm opening a demo database, so no worries about that. I'll click OK. And it will open your CTS. So depends from the user settings. It will pop up the windows before CTS. I have the USPTO integration changes window. I'll just go ahead and close. And I can see my FlexTrac CTS. If you want to see CTS in full screen, you click on the left bottom corner where it says full screen icon, and it will go in a full screen mode. If you want to exit, you just click on the full screen icon again, and it will exit from the full screen window so you can see CTS again. If you want to log out, on the right bottom corner, click on the logout, and it will log out your CTS. It will take you to the V2 dashboard, and from here you can see that you are logged out. Close this tab. Click on the first tab, which is the V2 Cloud Quick Connect. Click on Logout. You really want to log out. Click Yes. And you will log out from that window. You can keep the link as a bookmark so you can always access your CTS from the browser. There is another way for you to log into your cloud station from CTS, and that is through the V2 Cloud application. To use the V2 Cloud application, you need to download first. So you go ahead and click on open a browser and then type V2 download. Select the link here. And you can go ahead and select if you want to download for Windows or for Mac. Click on download for Windows and it will download the application. Once the application is downloaded, you just click on the exe file to run and install. Once the installation is completed, you get the installation for the V2 Cloud. Double click on the V2 Cloud application and you have the ability to open in browser, which is the first method that we logged in, and log in through the app. Click here. Yeah, it will open the browser. You just enter the email address and the password here. You click on login and it will launch the login in the application. So let's go ahead and see how it looks like. You also have the ability to use the RDP. If you check this, you can log in through the RDP. I will just go ahead and click here on desktop. And we'll go ahead and open through the application. I will go to the desktop and I already have CTS open. If I close here, actually I can see the desktop for my cloud station. So I have CTS here, I have the USPTO sync tool and so on. Open FlexTrac. enter the username and password, click OK, click continue. Don't worry about the warning because it's the demo database, click OK. USPTO changes, it's something that will pop up because I have here in my user preferences setup. I will close this and I can actually see my CTS and the cases that I have docked in FlexTrac. When you want to exit from here, you just click on the X, close and log out. It will close the application immediately and it will open the browser where it will take you to the login screen, and it means that you need to enter the email address and the password again in order to log in.